I feel like I got a hair on my lip. What is going on here? I hope I got hairy lips. I can't believe I just said that. I'm sorry. Edit that out. Oh my gosh. What's up, everyone? I hope you all had a very safe and happy holiday season. If not, at least it's almost over, right? I mean, like, we got like a day and a half left, you guys, not even. And 2020 will be officially gone, which I think at this point we all are ready for. Like, so I'm not going to say that 2021 is going to be amazing and the greatest, because I think we all did that last year and it did not work out so well in our favor. So this year, I'm just going to do one of these, tuck my head down in between my legs come midnight and hope and pray. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's get into today's video, which, as you can see, is my Jeffree Star mystery box. Now, you guys know, normally I try to get the biggest one, but this year I was a little preoccupied with some things that I probably should not have been preoccupied with. But nevertheless, here we are. I did manage to get the Deluxe. Thank God they were not sold out. And honestly, I think I'm kind of happy that way, because these were a little pricey this year, you guys. I mean, no joke. So if you guys are ready to see what I got in my Jeffree Star mystery box, and then let's get on into it. All right, so while I'm cutting this open, I just want to say, number one, if you just care about what's in the box, I'm going to be nice. Merry Christmas. I'm going to put a timestamp here for you, so that way you can just skip right on to that portion. However, for everyone else, I do want to give a little, like, kind of disclaimer, because I know, sorry, I'm having problems here. I know the last time I did my Jeffree Star mystery unboxing for Halloween, that a lot of people were like, oh my God, I can't support him. I can't support you if you support him. And listen, I hear you guys. I really do hear you. And I know you're looking at me like, yeah, wow, you're wearing Jeffree Star's shirt. Look, this is a super comfy shirt. Like, you can put something over this. This shirt is amazing. Totally worth it. Very happy I spent my money on it, okay? As far as Jeffree Star goes, I feel you guys. I don't support him in everything he does either. I really don't. Like, the man makes me cringe sometimes. Let's just keep it real. He really does. However, he does have really good makeup. Let's all be honest. He does have some really amazing makeup. And on this channel, we don't really get into the whole cancel culture thing. We just don't. I mean, because the thing is, you can cancel Jeffree Star all day, but this man, he's not going anywhere. He's got a ton of money. He's got his hands in a lot of businesses and a lot of cookie jars all over the place. He's not going nowhere. You're not going to hurt his pockets. But who you are going to hurt are the hundreds of employees at his distribution centers, his warehouses, all of those places, like the single moms with 4 kids working 2 jobs, one of which are packing these boxes for Christmas. That's who you're going to cancel. So that's why I myself cannot get on with cancel culture, and why I continually support, if that's what you want to call it, or pay for Jeffree Star's products, merchandise, whatever, because I know, number one, I'm getting my money's worth, and number two, it's not going straight to Jeffree Star. You know what I mean? It pays his employees, it pays the manufacturers, printing companies, labs, all that kind of thing. All right, I'm gonna get off my soapbox now. I'm done. Let's like, are you serious? So I heard about this. This is funny. Okay, I'm just gonna hold this up so you guys can see what I'm seeing, because you're probably like, what the hell, Alex? Do you see that? Hold on 1 second. All right, so I had to go grab this, because as you guys saw, we got this in my mystery box. So this is the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collaborative lipstick, velour liquid lipstick set. If I don't say that, somebody's gonna correct me. Mark my words, okay? But yeah, look, again, whether you like Shane or Jeffree or neither one of them, this is a really good lipstick set. Let's keep it real. His velour liquid lipsticks are amazing, and they're very, very versatile. Like, you can use them on your eyes, lips, face, whatever. So I think this is a really good set, especially if you weren't able to get them. I will probably do a giveaway with this, but we're gonna set it off to the side and grab out the next item that I saw in here that I also already have, which is the Orgy palette right here, which is the other thing I had to grab. So I'm just gonna pull mine out. I'm gonna leave that one wrapped up. And this is what the Orgy palette looks like, which I have to say, honestly, it's an all matte palette, you guys, and it is a truly amazing palette. I really felt like out of all of Jeffree Star's palettes, this was one that just people really didn't like for some odd reason. I don't know if it was the name or the names of the shadows or just the fact that it was an all matte palette. But me personally, when I first got it, like I kind of thought the same thing, like, I don't know about this, but I went ahead and got it anyways. And I have to say, if you are a person who is having problems finding your right colors, your tones, what's neutral on your skin, if you're not good with undertones, this is a great palette to play with because it has so many whites, pinks, tans, browns with all the different undertones to it. It is such a great just everyday, like for a lot of people that are loving that foxy eyed look right now, this is the palette you want all day long. So I think this is honestly a really, really great thing to have in this box. Even though I already have it, it was kind of a little bit of a waste of money for me, but for if you didn't get it, girl, play around with this thing. So again, just stay tuned. We're gonna see what we're gonna do with that stuff. So the next product in here, I am kind of excited about. So this is one that I don't have. So this is the gloss in Mouthful. Now this was a color that was released with the Orgy collection. I did not pick up this gloss. Glad that I didn't because now I got it. And yeah, it's such a pretty color. I don't even know if you guys can see it. I love the gloss formula. I did pick up Peach price tag. I mean, do you guys see how, I mean, like, look at how much of that I've already used. I go through these things. So very, very happy to have that and not have to pay full price. All right, the next item in here we have is Gemini. What is this? Oh, this looks like one of his velour lip liners. Am I right in saying that? Let's see. Oh yeah, I think so. I think so. Let's just... Really, Alex? Really? Let's just pretend like that didn't happen, all right? And we're gonna go ahead. Ooh, this is a pretty color. This is really pretty. Why do I not know about this already? Okay, so this gloss and this perfection match. I mean, look at that. It's just that pretty, perfect. It's like a nude with like a little bit of a pink undertone to it. Girl, I'm gonna wear this out. I'm gonna wear that out. All right, I had to be honest. I don't really feel like this Mouthful, the gloss, is quite nearly as reflective as, like, for instance, like Peach price tag or some of the other ones that I have. I still love it, but it's kind of just very similar to a clear gloss. Very, very silky, very, you know, it's Jeffree Star's gloss. It's amazing, but just not nearly as like eye-catching and reflective as some of his other glosses. All right, let's move on here. Ooh, okay, so I am kind of happy about this. I don't have any of these. Please let this be a wearable color. Please let this be a wearable color. So this is one of his Velvet Trap lipstick. Okay, it's not super wearable. I'm going to be honest. Ooh, but I really do love that packaging. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is gorgeous. Now, this is a hot pink. If this would have been me 10 years ago, if you guys didn't see my 10 years ago makeup bag unboxing, I'm going to link it up here. Pretty funny. But if this would have been me 10 years ago, I would have been all over this. So yeah, I'm still going to keep it though, because it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so since I'm going to keep it, I'm going to, ooh, now that kind of makes me want to get some more of these. That is really, really like velvety, like, okay, I'm kind of living for that. I'm kind of living for that. The packaging, just, it's everything. It's really everything. I mean, his packaging always is everything. He does so good on his packaging. And I am making a ginormous mess right now. All right, moving on. The next thing we have here is the Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Unicorn Blood, which I have somewhere. I don't know if it's, I have it somewhere. So I might add this to the giveaway. We'll see what's going on here. And ooh, I think this is the last item. It looks like a shirt. Kind of happy about that. Okay, hang on. This is a white shirt. All right, pump the brakes, Alex. Pump the brakes. All right, hang on. I need a baby wipe or something. All right, now that we got our hands clean, this is what the shirt looks like. I kind of want to put it on, but I know the second it touches my face, it's going to be like this whole neck here is just going to be covered in makeup. So I'm going to wait until I clean my face tonight and then I'm going to wear it. But I do like this. Now I will say this isn't like as soft as like some of his other material shirts, like the one that we got in our Halloween mystery box, like that one. Oh my God, that was like the softest material t-shirt ever. I live in that thing. I love it. This thing, oh my God, softest material ever. This one's a little, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little rougher than his normal t-shirts and stuff. So hopefully if I throw it in the washer or something, it will soften it up. Throw in like 2 cups of softener, you know what I mean? But I still love it. I absolutely love the snowflake. And I'm glad that he didn't do it like really Christmassy, that it actually has something wearable that you can wear after Christmas and still in the wintertime. So altogether, I think this is a really good mystery box. Not so good for somebody like me if you have all of his stuff and you purchase everything. And I think that's really, I think what I'm going to have to start doing is like pick and choose. Do I want to purchase his products or do I want to purchase his mystery boxes? Because a lot of times, like I guarantee the, for instance, the Blood Money palette, like that will probably be in a future mystery box. So, you know, I definitely think that you're saving some money by not getting it upon its first release and just waiting for the mystery boxes. Because honestly, you know, you got a Velvet Trap lipstick. I mean, you're not going to be able to pick your colors, but if you don't care about the colors and, you know, I mean, you just want somewhat wearable stuff. And I'm going to say, like, this super wearable, the gloss, this color right here, very, very wearable. Velvet Trap lipstick, I think this is a color that he probably couldn't really sell a lot of, and that's why he put it in there. Just saying, Jeffree, come on, keep it real. Unicorn Blood, though, this is a really, really popular color. A lot of people love and want this color, regardless of it being a red. It is a really popular color, especially for a lot of makeup looks. So, you know, you are going to get some more wearable neutral stuff. You're going to get some little more wilder stuff. And, I mean, I think this is a really good box altogether, you guys. I really, really do. As usual, Jeffree Star hit it out of the park. Now, let's talk about this giveaway. All right, so this is what I think I'm going to do with the giveaway. I kind of like how we did the last giveaway where I got to tailor it to, you know, the actual subscriber. So I think that's what we're going to do this time because everybody likes something different. Some people would much rather have the orgy palette. Some people would much rather have the lipstick kit. So comment down below, which one would you rather have? Would you rather have the lipstick kit, the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Cosmetics lipstick velour liquid lipstick kit? I mean, it's got all the lipsticks here. Or would you rather have the orgy palette? So are you a nudes girl? Do you need some nudes in your life? Or do you need some color? I'm just kidding. No, but seriously. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to run the giveaway. Let's see. Let's do, I feel like I got a hair on my lip. What's going on here? I hope I got hairy lips. I can't believe I just said that. I'm sorry. All right. I officially need help. I don't know why the hell I did not think before I said that, but I didn't. It happened, you guys. All right. So anyways, giveaway. 2 weeks from today, we will do the drawing. As always, I contact the winner and then I announce it in my community tab. I also announce it down in the, if I can remember. Most times I remember. Sometimes I forget. If I forget, just hit me up and let me know. Hey, Alex, who won? I need to know who won, okay? But normally, I always contact the winner first. That way, we don't, you know, have a bunch of scams. So like video, be subscribed, because, of course, this is always for my loyal subscribers. If you subscribe to enter the giveaway, that's great. But I really do these for my loyal subscribers. So be subscribed, like the video, comment down below. Do you need some nudes in your life? Or do you need some color? Nudes, color. Nudes, color. Let me know down below. No, I'm just kidding. This video is nuts, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I need to go have my head examined. I hope you guys have a great 2021 or start off your 2021 because I probably won't see you before then. I have a video planned to go up. Is it on New Year's or the day after New Year's? Either way, keep an eye out for it. It'll be up either on January 1st or January 2nd. My birthday is coming up, you guys. couple more weeks. And then we've got the wedding. We got a lot happening. And then I've got my 2020 favorite videos. I don't know why people are doing their 2020 favorite videos in December. There are still products being released. Like, how can you do your 2020 favorites? Is it just me that thinks like that? I don't know. Anyways, I need to shut up and I need to get off here. I love you. And yeah, enter the giveaway if you want to. If not, and you hate Jeffree Star and you hate me for unboxing it, give this video a dislike. Go for it, all right? I will see you guys later. Again, I need to get my head examined. Bye.